Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Positive and Healthy Living with Swapna Singha. Nowadays we buy almost everything online. The bigger the item is, the bigger your cardboard box is in which your item is wrapped. I have shifted my apartment and I landed up piling up so many cardboard boxes. I didn't know what to do, and suddenly I came up with an idea of making this beautiful storage box out of the waste. And I had a lot of old curtains, bed sheets, so I made this. It's very easy to make and you have a very good feeling of reusing the things which you really like and don't want to dispose it off. So let's start the work. For this, all you need is a cardboard box, a jute yarn or any yarn, glue and a brush. And if the glue nozzle is small, narrow, thin, you don't even need a brush for that. So let's start making it. First I have applied the glue on the cardboard box, and now I am pasting this jute, and then I'll keep doing it till I reach the top. It has to be done from bottom to top. See, this is how I am doing it. It is very easy and it does not take much time also. It's done, and see how beautiful it is looking. You can use it like this also, and if you want you can do the way I have done it. See, the top of the cardboard box is not looking very finished, so now I will take the measurement of the cardboard box, and see, this is how I am taking the measurement, and I have measured 3 inches extra from all the sides, all the 4 sides. This is the measurement of the breadth. Likewise, you have to take the measurement of the length also, in which you have to take 3 inches extra on both the sides. This is my old curtain which I have taken, and you can take your old bed sheet also like this. You don't have to buy any cloth, you'll find a lot of clothes in the house which you can use it. So now the length and the breadth which I have measured, I will cut from out of this curtain. Now cover the outer side of the box with the cut piece, and hold the edges like this, and then pin it up with the help of a safety pin. This is the safety pin I am using. I am marking it with the help of the safety pin so that I can stitch it on that line, and so that I get a shape of this box. Like this you have to do it on all the 4 sides, and then after that you can take out this cover along with the safety pin, and then stitch it on that marking which we have done. So see, this is the stitch I have done. If you can see it, there is the stitch I have done. Now take a pair of scissors and cut the extra cloth which is there. Keep around 2-3 centimeters gap, and then cut so that later on the stitch does not come out. So let's take out the cloth from the box. Now we'll put this in the inner side of the box so that the inner side looks beautiful, and this is how it will look, and the 3" that I had taken extra will come on the sides like this. So this is the final look of the product. See how beautiful it is looking. So you can use this cardboard box as an organizer. Now you can place toys, your kitchen items, your stationeries, anything. And I have one more option. If you don't want to use yarn, you feel that it'll take a lot of time. So the same way you have to stitch this cloth and then cover it from outside like this. So you don't need to use yarn, and it will not take time if you're in hurry. So this is how it will look. It was a great pleasure sharing this video with you. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe my channel and please do share my video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.